and this is the method of expansion. So a plus b, common in both. We are taking a plus b out. A plus b out. So 1 a plus b is out. Remaining is a plus b whole square minus a plus b is out. Remaining 3ab. Then what is this? Expand. A plus b into this expansion, you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3. So this equal to a plus b into a square. Then this is plus 2ab minus 3ab. That is minus ab plus b square. So once again, you look the expansion. Don't make any confusion. That is a plus b whole cube. First expand that. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You have to find out a cube plus b cube, and this is just like solving equation. That is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So a plus b is common. Taking out, you are getting a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So I am writing a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, and starting is the sum of the two cubical identity, a cube plus b cube. This equal to a cube plus b cube is starting. So first term is a plus b. A plus b into remaining 1 minus is coming, a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. And this is the first identity. So when this identity is coming, so I am thinking about this is Ramanujan's number, a cube plus b cube. This is the lowest two cubical term. You are getting Ramanujan's number. What is Ramanujan's number? 1729. How will you get a 1729? How did you get? It is the sum of the two smallest cubes. That is, what is 10 cube? 10 cube is 1000. What is 7 cube? Oh, sorry, 9 cube. 9 cube is 729. So 1000 plus 729, 1729. That you are getting. Similarly, we can connect the other two numbers also. 12 cube plus 1 cube. What is 12 cube? 12 into 12 into 12. What is 12 into 12 into 12? 1728 plus 1 cube. That is 1729. So when a cube plus b cube is coming, so I want to remind to you Ramanuja also, Srinivasa Ramanuja. Srinivasa Ramanuja's number 1729. That is, it is the sum of the cubes of the smallest number. So don't make a confusion, children. So I have made some confusion to you in your mind. So remove it. A cube plus b cube is, starting is a cube plus b cube. You have to write it. A plus b is the starting. Starting factor is a plus b into remaining 1 minus term is there. A square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, we can do the next one. Next one also. I am not expanding like this. Simply I am writing that number. So it's just opposite of that. This is, you are getting a cube minus b cube, and there a cube plus b cube, we wrote a plus b is the first. Here a cube minus b cube, we are writing a minus b. A minus b we are writing, and there a plus b, a square minus, anyway 1 minus term is there, because then only we can cancel that 3a square b and 3ab square. So here already 1 minus term is there. So you have to write it a square plus ab plus b square. I don't know, I forgot the sign interchange. Okay, so my mistake I did. So remember, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a cube plus is coming. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then only we can cancel that second and third term. So surely 1 minus is there in both identity. Then only we can cancel that term. Similarly, a cube minus b cube equal to a cube minus b cube is starting. So a minus b, already minus we have taken outside. So inside plus is coming. A square plus ab plus b square. Okay. In both the identities, one minus is there. Why? The cancellation. So minus of this. Your second term and third term you are cancelling. You are getting only the cubical terms.